Welcome to Bantrek. Today I'm going to show you our ARMOR Series truck camper. Let's take a closer look. We wanted to create a camper that is easy to drive with, but still provides a comfortable space when you arrive at your campsite. When the roof is closed, it keeps a compact profile and works well for daily driving. When you open it up, you get much more interior space for camping. Our camper is equipped with a 360-degree T-track system. You can easily add different accessories such as water tanks, awnings, shower tanks, and other camping equipment. One of the biggest differences of the ARMOR Series is the material we use. The upper part of this camper uses RV-grade material. It provides better insulation, helping keep the camper cooler in summer and warmer in winter. It also offers stronger protection with better impact resistance, making it more suitable for outdoor environments. The light-colored roof helps reflect sunlight and reduce heat buildup inside the camper. It does not require an additional powder coating, keeping the exterior simple and clean. For this ARMOR Series, we chose this light pink color to create a unique and recognizable style. Of course, different customers have different preferences. The exterior color can be customized based on your needs. You can choose a color that matches your truck or your own style. From mid-size trucks like Tacoma and Ranger to full-size trucks like F-150 and Silverado, we adjust the base to achieve a better fit. It fits securely on your truck and stays stable throughout your adventures. You can also add windows to the camper base, giving your dog a better view of the outside world. We also offer an optional larger front window, which allows you to access the camper directly from the truck cab. For customers who enjoy the longer outdoor trips, we also provide an optional kitchen system in the camper base. The ARMOR Series is available in standard, widened, and extended versions to fit different pickup trucks and user needs. Let's open the camper and take a look inside. Once inside, you will notice the differences in space. The pop-up design gives you more headroom and creates a comfortable living area. There is enough room for sleeping, relaxing, and storing your camping equipment. The sleeping layout can also be customized based on your needs. The interior MOLLE panels allow you to organize your gear and create your own storage system. The LED lighting creates a comfortable atmosphere at night. The windows provide natural light and better ventilation while camping. Different accessories can be added based on your camping needs. All the Bantrek campers are produced in our own factory. We manage the entire process from material preparation, assembly to the final inspection. Carpenters can follow their camper's production progress during the building process. For us, every detail matters. This is the Bantrek ARMOR Series, ready for your next outdoor adventure.